Good afternoon. I'm a PhD candidate in the biology department, and I study the science of bird behavior and bird coloration. Now, when you hear the word scientist, you might think of white lab coats and test tubes full of chemicals and laboratories. That certainly is an important part of science, but I'd argue that science really begins and ends in nature. We go outdoors, make observations about the natural world, get curious about how it all works, and go try to figure it out. That's science. And the preserve really is acting as an outdoor laboratory to host to many scientific projects and research experiments over the past many years. For example, if you walk around the trails here at the preserve, you might see wooden nest boxes along some of them. We can use those nest boxes to learn more about the breeding biology of birds and monitor the population. We can also use those nest boxes to learn more about how changes in the environment, such as earlier warmer temperatures and drier conditions that are associated with global climate change, how that has an impact on bird health and other wildlife. But of course, the things that we learn from our research are valuable when we're able to share them with members of the public. One way to do that is through community outreach and engagement. And again, the preserve has been an excellent resource on that front as well. It's a venue that brings together scientists and members of the community to share in a passion for nature, but also to learn more about the research done here at the preserve and at the university. Last year, the preserve invited members of the community to join Auburn scientists in a 24-hour biodiversity survey. We call that a BioBlitz. And it was a great success. Over 200 members of the community came out and helped to document all the various migratory and domestic birds that are found on the preserve and other wildlife that are found in the diverse habitats here. So it was a great success. And involving the community in that survey really helps to highlight the value of the preserve as a resource for research, but also in a more broad sense to help demystify the process of science and engage the public in what we're doing and trying to learn more about the natural world. So the addition of the preserve to the Alabama Birding Trail certainly will be a boon to reaching out to more members of the community and the public and engaging in the process of science. And I look forward to that. So, thank you.